Hi there, and welcome to Toni's Garage. Today we will present an Italian exotic that I personally find quite controversial. So this is the Bugatti Centodieci made by LookSmart at a 1/43 scale. The details have the specific high quality of a LookSmart model, but since this is a sealed piece made from resin, it is quite light, and this gives this Centodieci a feeling of fragile. When it comes to this model interior, it is not so much to say. The windows are completely opaque, so it is impossible to see through them. The only thing you can see is the engine through the engine cover. I must admit that the design of the front lights is very interesting, and I don't know about you, but I'm always thinking of a samurai costume when I see those lights. Tell me what you think about the front part of this Bugatti. Also, a more detailed review of this model car is available on my second channel, Model Cars, Beer, and Words with Toni, so check it out. Cheers!